You there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.
And Naija FM 102.7. I get two questions I go ask Peruzzi concerning that jam. Before then, in case you just tune in, you then inside workshop, the baddest midday show for radio with the first voice. Godwin Ariwaya plus the DJ on top Naija FM. And we get August visitor for Inside April. Peruzzi there for studio here, and I get that song Salty Love. Peruzzi, first of all, who produced this song?
P Prime.
P Prime, okay. How you and Fireboy to do this song? We on that, they are managed.
We record them for David Studio.
Oh, okay.
So, one morning, Bado Halam say he gets stuff for David.
Okay.
So make we link for David house. So we
Okay.
go David house. Then when they come finish their own P,
Okay.
in go with Fire.
Okay.
So obviously I just link them for them.
Yeah.
So when him and David finish their own P, and so we just did studio, nothing happened. We just
I'll
did
be
chair.
what in the spirit of the Bado and David doing.
So as they finish their own, two of them just come out.
Just come out. Okay.
So we just did. So make we just knock one.
That's so the song just come.
This one not be like waiting the just made the
You know,
just.
you
It
know,
be like when they don't they
resemble.
Now
plan
for studio we
for.
write them. Now for studio we do everything.
This one be like when they don't they plan sings. No, but it's very lovely.
Wow.
And of course, if you want to hear more lovely songs like this back to back, say you get to prepare for the album Rum and Boogie. Okay, now Peruzzi want to talk about right now. So Peruzzi, tell us about the album Rum and Boogie. Why you title it Rum and Boogie?
Rum and Boogie, basically because the album gets two sides, two parts.
Okay.
The rum part now, the part we get all the emotional songs and all the love and everything. And then the boogie part now, like the straight club bangers, up tempo and everything. So I decided to split them into two so that guys listen to all the 20 songs every time.
Okay.
If you just say, okay, now
I
this
want
mood,
that. I did boogie mode this
year.
period. Yeah. I did rum.
Now the idea.
I mean, and you run me part. I go always a day. Now that kind of person.
The two parts sweet.
I be run me kind of person. Depend on the mood.
Peruzzi. Of course, but I be music person, so I connect with your music a lot. But the issue now say your face no really romantic. Not romantic. So if you don't sing to me, I go the one that say use guy, you mean what they talk? And you see another agenda for mine. Why your face be like that?
Because I be very serious person, I guess. I did think a lot. I be writer, so I guess the thing. I did think anytime, like every time. You get me? So I don't know how say. I know you remember say. I got smile. That's
why they thought for beginning say, and they feel that this guy go wicked. They release my boy. No, now I know say you know be wicked. I know. I just say nah. Say I just feeling.
Yeah, no
but because no what I believe. That's why affect me playing your music or playing because it get nothing to do with it. But I don't know better. And I say you know be that kind of person.
Another thing I want to talk. Okay, from singer to singer, I observe say you they sing from your heart. Person they go hear your song and they feel your emotion for inside the song. Every song where you do, even if na collabo they do. Now how you take that now very rare trait for any artist. Most guys go just one they on top the beat and then that's all. But you go put everything for that. How you they do them?
I feel I did write like say I did talk, so you always do like
you be passionate person.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so I always I always put on show for my music. Say, okay, this thing what they talk about, I know what they talk about. Like, I don't put myself for the shoes
of that person.
Whatever thing we they talk about for the song. So
Okay.
I guess that's now waiting to make they clear. Say okay, I'm either happy or sad on any particular song.
Okay.
You that guy really raise a lot of questions because when you do a marker with Tubaba, I was like. This guy must be very good for Chioma to do song with him. I like the guy. This guy must be very good for Chioma to. Some things gonna make somebody concentrate. Say, man, check this guy. And then that period I can't look at somebody. But I say go catch out. So I want to ask you like some questions 3 in 1 to just remove some because I see interview where you do waiting for some blogs now and. I feel say if somebody this one a better platform for you to clear off some doubts and some all the air. First of all, how you take meet David? How the relationship they start?
Chioma linked me to David.
Okay, so you
and Chioma play
you and Chioma are friends before. Okay.
No be Chioma play the song to David.
Okay.
Now David post on for his Snapchat first. before Chioma come post me. But you know, day Naija when he post.
Okay, he post your song.
Yes, for
his Snapchat. Okay, that time when I never be friend.
No.
So he just you tag him for your song.
No, I not tag him.
He just see this, no discover the song. Which song with that?
For your pocket.
So he just see the song like and come on his Snapchat.
I seen in they watch the video for TV. He just record them.
Okay.
Just write the name of the song, Peruzzi and everything. But I don't know how to reach out. So, but Chioma can link tell me when in they come back Naija and where in good day. So I go there that day and I just chill when I get space. So as you see me remember.
Because when in they call, because someone like David to meet her if you don't know her with all those big chest bouncers.
No, even with the Chioma service, still hard. I still guys wait. I still guys go small.
All right, you know about some rumor they fly around for blogs that say you've been friend Chioma before, not true?
No.
Okay, when I just be friends.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
Family.
Okay. All this one don't clear, but you did sign to DMW.
I did sign to DMW.
Okay, fine. I don't clear up the treaties. So number one, now the year now. Chioma and friend, they no dates. Number two, David sing song for TV, record and put them on Snapchat. Then he call let Chioma and say, this guy. You don't do my so you can't go there, can't see him. That's everything there, and he just signed to DMW. Abi? We don't clear up all those ones we did there. Okay, so tell us about Rum and Boogie. How many producers you work with first, and how many tracks they inside?
Now 20 songs.
20.
Yeah, 20 songs.
So you go there safe to say the Rum and Boogie is split in the middle 10-10.
10-10, exactly.
Okay.
Now, exactly what we do. 10 Rum songs, 10 Boogie songs. Producers, I don't know how many producers.
Just call some. Of the major ones.
Yeah, I know the names. Sparroach, Rexy, Lush, Showboy.
You know when you talk on
P-Prime.
Wait.
And you get me.
Okay,
on a very light note, I know be comedian, no. But on a very light note, if you don't watch Ray Charles movie, you get one particular song when you on spur of the moment for one show when you go for. And they can't decide to record them, but they say it did too long. So they made them cut the song in half. Now they say, if they cut that song in half, you go cut the producer in half too. Go follow join. So I don't now just something that they try to make when you say they split them to two. Now just remember Richard say you cut that song in two, I cut you in two.
This one at the album we just split them so that it no go sound long.
Yeah.
Because now the problem because we know say 20 songs plenty.
You don't postpone the release of this album. You don't really do us wait. We go release and so time after you go say sorry, they don't postpone and so and Nigerian artists now they do that way. We now have to do the fans long throats. No, but finally it don't come out. Why they postpone before the till now?
And you know me, my own. We say me. I've been not already complete the album, but I feel like say I've been need to do like certain things so I've been not doing, and I can get time.
Okay.
I feel like I get time because me I did like take my time complete something well. So I guess put more people, more collaborations, Jazzy, Fino, the Pat Ranking, and one day I guess put them. Plus I put like 2 up and coming artists for the album as well.
Okay.
So now just all those things.
Now make it so keep it hold on. Make add some. Make it there as tight and as solid as you fit.
And usually good things that they always take time before they go come out.
Yes, you know, food they okay, now only noodle they rush cook.
Oh my God. So your song Majesty, wetin inspire that song? And then the video, the storyline again, wetin inspire them?
Majesty now basically I feel like it is self-explanatory, sure. But now just waiting, I assume say it go fit happen to me. I never marry, you get me? So
I get you.
Story where I just put up together. Sometimes I just feel like say it dey happen. I just sing about them.
Okay. No worry, we'll come back to that. You'll never marry matter later. we'll come back to that matter, to that whether you know my relationship issue later. But now, as when all the time we take it to, if you estimate like how long it take you to put this album together?
2 years and 3 months.
2 years, 3 months.
Wow.
27 months to put the album together. You understand? Wow. Okay, so which song now you go say stress you pass? In terms of this song, maybe you record it. You say no. You know feel am. I know feel am. Which one if you say it take you more time to do because it bring out more tasking. No use the word tasking to you.
I go say the me, Jazzy and Fino song.
Okay. Why is stress?
Because now the first time I did do proper high life.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Okay. So, but which one you enjoy part? Where you do where easy pass for you? So, I mean, this song, wow, where you say
Murder.
Yeah. Only you do that one.
Only me. Yeah.
Only you do that one. Okay, fine. So, like, how many videos you don't shoot for this album right now? 4 videos. Which and which?
Gunshots, Salty Love, Somebody Baby, Lagbaja.
Okay. Gunshot. I like that. Even gunshot. I like gunshot. And then you get what you they add anytime when you do collabos. You get the way they sound for the collabo. Like say the one singer and pass the other. I mean, if, you know, okay, 2 or 2 about we agree, but we know say if you like drag out like say no, you get it. So in terms of the performance, and then the one where you do is Sound Sultan. You know that song where you and Sound Sultan do also. You understand? So what's in the day your mind when you do collabo, especially with people who don't day industry before you like that, like big names, legends like that? What thing they call your mind?
No, basically to just balance the song. Like,
okay.
No make them sound.
Yeah.
Make them sound better than it go sound.
Than it go sound. If you know they on top. Okay, so just to add more quality to the thing, because that ginger me, it all makes sense. Well. Okay, so
you know, this is your gunshot where you call. Like the gunshot where they always give me for inside here. They look me. Not true now.
No, you know it's
atmosphere go just change. We are going to go just confess. Say I just dropped one shot.
If I mess, I tell us I don't mess. I go say dress or go outside. I'll come spray air freshener. Sometimes it's loud. So you go just say you feel am. But you know say one. I never hear your own before. Sometimes me I go just the studio. The studio smell go just change, but not be me. I say, Lady J, you go say no. Now last week you go admit it sometimes she said we drop her. but like silently. You don't notice that women they really like to do away men. Except girl we don't they used to wear we don't see you finish. Now go feel say baby I don't. But most colleagues they go there meet every year. This may not be the guys.
Peruzzi don't kuku sing and gunshot now. So
and that's why they give me gunshot. Okay, before we open the lines 1 and 2, till the album done there everywhere now.
Yes.
Okay. I remember I go stream and download them because Peruzzi need to make more money so that he will give us money.
Yes.
So when I stream, one year in the next 2 days, say you don't add like another 5 to 10 million streams on top, and then downloads and all those stuff. Because when all this is done, I could just call Peruzzi alpha that this stream don't increase. You understand? So, but you need to buy better music and support good music for Nigeria. Yeah. Okay. Before we ask about relationship, we just ask her now before we open the lines. You get a girlfriend? Or you get girlfriends?
Or codedly?
As at now, no.
Okay, as at now, no. You don't see anybody?
I see many people.
You don't see us?
Anybody they see you?
Blind,
anybody they see you?
Well, I don't know. I don't know. But they see people.
Because if I say they want to finish your album, you go say they see your music.
No, I get time now.
You get time now. Okay, so it go change. Okay, okay. Well, if you send message for WhatsApp 0908 285 887 0908 285 887 or tweet at Naija 102 FM. Okay, so Peruzzi, before we let you come up for Inside Studio right now, what next? Say you go. I know say the song you get plenty collabos you do with Nigerians, so but any plan to do
international collabo?
International collabo going forward?
Obviously, the next step would be international collaborations.
Okay.
All these guys from all these African countries.
Oh, okay, African artists.
Yeah,
okay.
But now, before
you can go cross the Atlantic and all that.
Countries plenty for Africa.
You get any particular person you get in mind? 1 or 2 people for?
I like do with Diamond Platinum.
Okay.
Okay. And that one go mad.
And some Saudi artists as well.
Okay.
Saudi soul.
Yeah, obviously I like those ones as well. Then Casper as well.
You be stickler for harmony, Abby?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. I know. We know ourselves. No worry. But it did good to have you here. Thank you for everything where you did do before you come out. Especially people where say they reach out to you. Get something where you do some weeks ago. One woman reach out to you, say her husband they go for interview. She need help to feed by him for Twitter. And when I see that, not be everybody will respond. Mm-hmm. And that post where she posts, it really touched me because at the point people can't say, you know, may we all join hands together. Mm-hmm. So that one, I not gonna lie, it touched me. Thank you, seriously.
How you take cope this lockdown period? No shows, no. I mean, you get one time it's very bad where that where say movement they very restricted, only essential workers. During that period, how you cope in terms of?
For me, give me time to record my album.
Okay.
So the only thing we affect is okay, obviously no shows. But we record album, we record collaborations. So at least Bonisti they come out.
And of course people see they listen to music online, they download, they stream and all that. So it's Google record album in case the lockdown continues. Online, they don't go lock down online.
Yeah, no, go lock down online now. No, but actually
now why I make this album 20 in case they lock down again.
But actually that's 2020. People with YouTubers, will be content creators, a lot of people like you. Now them I fit say hammer within that period of the lockdown because people they bored.
Yes,
so they will go on top YouTube, watch videos, listen to music. So big shout out, man.
Okay, so one final question before you come off from inside studio. You don't take vaccine?
Vaccine? No, I don't take.
You don't believe you don't believe in the vaccine? Why?
I get a friend who don't take she's sick.
Okay, but you listen to coronavirus, Desha.
When I travel out, I go take out.
Okay, fine. Okay, so you'll be more comfortable for the other side. Okay, all right. So those of us who don't take, will not feel the turn and back. But people body they react differently. Because when I take out, I don't feel anything for days. I'm not in. I don't even know. Okay, the only thing why I feel be say, I just know say injection they give me for the small pain we go call how you could use ice the massage. But other than that, say I don't feel headache, I don't feel anything. I just stay away from alcohol for a while before I come resume.
Maybe not you really want you take.
Okay, Peruzzi, thanks for coming. We wish you all the best. Of course, Naija Roman Boogie, they're on all platforms, and so just go there, stream the song, download anyone you want, download and everything. Peruzzi, before you come out, waiting. Be the final words at least for today where you want to live with all your fans and everybody where out there, and then if somebody's
like you get different side of me, like the boogie part now, type of songs where I've been never tried before.
Okay.
You get me? Plus, now you see the people who I feature for the album.
Yeah.
You don't say okay, get what's into expect.
Yeah.
Basically, and it's different.
Okay, so what would be your advice to young people out there listening to you, your fans, and
keep streaming. I appreciate the love. Keep streaming. Keep sharing the music. God bless you.
And I've got man I follow him for social media. Yeah, and today very simple to follow.
Peruzzi everywhere.
Before you even type the Peruzzi finish, you go down show you Peruzzi. You understand? So more will play one more
song.
Peruzzi song. I don't want to be biased because of the 1 or 2, but okay, ma will see. The DJ you like Majesty, no?
I like my Majesty. Yeah.
There's Gunshot. There's I want to play Satin Love again. Somebody baby.
Yeah.
We'll play Somebody Baby. Peruzzi, Davido, Somebody Baby. 9 they come next on top. Naija FM 102.7. No go anywhere. A special program they come by. 15 minutes per 12. Rally Academy get program. Watch out for that one. After that one, then we'll go enter play radio. Somebody get chance to imagine yourself in front of cinema. You sit down with your drink and shawarma or drink and popcorn. 2 tickets. You are your babe or your guy, or you are your guy or your husband or your wife, anything. But you need to win the ticket first before you go feed there. So you don't picture them. Okay. Somebody go win those 2 tickets to go cinema. Cut your film and cinema. When we come back, enter play radio. So you go need to stay tuned to get chance win that ticket, enter cinema. Because these days for cinema they go ask you say you want popcorn and drink or you want shawarma and drink.
I go take.
Okay, so when they come back and come give all those ones after this break. Somebody Baby by Peruzzi and Davido. Peruzzi, thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, well this is Scott and come on.
Dalu.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.